Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FSR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And I bring that up just because, update's not necessarily the right word. More so probably confirmation would be the most accurate word, just because the level that I talked about in the previous video, all those areas come into play today and, confirmed to behave as the way they, we suspected them that they would behave. So the first bit of confirmation we got is in regards to that red line right up there, which is the area of resistance, which I talked about previously, right up around $15. Now, the price did actually break up through that level. You can see they spent the opening 30 minutes with a nice break up above that area. But the thing you got to remember from a true break perspective is not only does the price have to, break above a level, the price has to then be able to actually stay up above it. And you can see right there, failed to stay up, above it, back down it went. So we got confirmation that, yeah, right up around that $15 mark is apparently going to be a very stubborn and key level of resistance to watch going forward. On the flip side of things, you can see that the price came down here to this green line right here around 1330, and you can see that the price actually broke down below it. Again, same logic though. Just because the price breaks down below level, for it to be a true break, the price has got to be able to stay down below it. But to give credit where credit's due, that is right where the price was able to bounce back up above and, get within the range. So again, 1330 right around that level has been confirmed as that area of support. So from that angle of things, there's just going to be that many more eyeballs on each of these levels, which is important because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So definitely a lot of eyeballs going to be watching 15. Definitely a lot of eyeballs going to be watching 1330. So let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.